Hey guys, I'm here from Reading Emeralds, and today I'm gonna be doing a super hard, I don't know what to call it, like a trick or something to do. It's hard, but for some people it's easy. I have small fingers, so this is gonna be hard, kind of. With this fidget spinner, oh yeah, this glows better, but I kind of destroyed it. So after I do this, I know, yeah. Like after I do the trick, like it's something, okay? Then then I will show you the improved version of this. And if this video gets 3 likes, it's just simple. I will do it with this. Oh yeah, by the way, this puts marks on the nail. Oh, oh, that's ow. Let's do that again. Can you see the marks? I'll just make that clear. I don't think you can see. I don't think you can see. It actually made a mark. It made a mark. Can you see those white stuff? That's a mark. Okay, so now I'm gonna be doing the trick. Here we go. I'm also gonna show you the improved version. Wait, let me just switch on the lights. Okay. Okay, so here it is. I'll do it first with this. If I get three likes, then I will do it with this. So okay, I'll just get a thing to put this. I think this is okay. It's ready. Okay. Sorry, need to use a pillow. Shoot. Okay, there we go. Shoot. Okay, here we go. Here's the time. This is just gonna be hard. Hard. Here we go. Spinning. It's time. This will be the hardest. Oh! Oh! What does this sound I made? Well, here we go, guys. 3. Nope. It did. Oh, what? Oh, what? I keep hitting myself. Like, that's so weird. My fingers are just so crazy. 3, 2, 1, go. No! I bet I can do this. I've done it once. Only once. Here it is, guys. Kind of. Let's make it harder. 3, 2, 1. No! I got it here. What? Let's do this. No! Oh! Let's go, another one. 3, 2, 1, go. That almost fell on the floor. That just landed on my leg. 2, 1, go. Oh! Oh! I think we should move here first. There we go. So now it won't fall. Now it won't fall like here, because that's the floor. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you know what? I'll change the side. See, you can see a little difference. I think this is easier. 3, 2, 1. It's still spinning hard. Look. Oh! I'll try to do it again. 3, 2. Oh! Wait. Oh! Oh! No. No more. 3, 2. Oh, again. Oh, again. What? Oh. Oh, 4. Oh, 5. 5. No, 5. That's the best one I've done so far. Wow. Oh. Oh, no. Okay. Maybe you guys could do like, you could practice this. I'm so excited to do it with the green one. I'll try to do it again. I'm not sad anymore if I don't do it. I finally did it. Oh, ow! There's just something. Come on, here we go. Last try here. I could just do rapid. What? Oh. 3, 2, 1. What? Oh! Oh! That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Oh! You think I forgot? We're gonna test the new Better Glow. We did it, guys. Wow. Actually, I did it. You could do it too if you are really good. Here we go. I think now you could see it better. Because me, I could literally see it better. I know you can see it. If you see it, it kind of means it glows. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Because you guys watched this video, I'm just gonna try it with this. This is dangerous, okay? These have spikes. Stuff that hurt. See? The mark. Look how hard. Does that break? It left a scratch. Oh no. Oh wow. Here we go, guys. Let me fix the camera. That's it. If I do this, I'll be crazy. Oh, wow. That's so... What? What in the world? What in the world? First try. That's the first time I've done this with this. Oh, here, I'll look at the camera. I won't look. Oh, again. Nope. No. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like. Please leave a like. I don't know what to do anymore if you get 3 likes. I literally just did it. Fine. If we get 3 likes, I'll do guitar tutorials. I know it sounds kind of like, you might be like, what? Why guitar tutorials? Because I play guitar. Yes, I do play guitar. And thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Peace. Oh.